As an account executive and looking to develop new business, obviously in the St. Joe area, in our new Kansas City office, so Kansas City and the surrounding areas, and then really across the nation as SJC marketing grows. I'm looking for three different companies or three different types of companies that I would identify as people that could really use, whoops, I almost dropped something. Could really use a marketing firm similar to SJC to come alongside of them and help. The first of those three businesses would be your new business, your launch, your startup. These are tricky because some of them have budgets necessary for contracting a third party. Some might not. And they might just need someone to kind of, hold their hand and kind of give them some pointers, I guess. But if they do have some budget, maybe they have some capital raised for marketing. This is a great prospect of mine because they need that strategy on the forefront of their minds. So maybe the business doesn't necessarily have a person that's specifically focused on the marketing strategy for this new company. Maybe they're focused, solely on developing a piece of software, right, that they're trying to offer. Maybe it's connecting with other businesses. We can step in to really figure out what their brand is, what their voice sounds like, and then helping them develop a strategy to kind of build their marketing around, to kind of build those goals. That way they're not just throwing a bunch of cards up against a wall and seeing what sticks. So having that foundational strategy for a brand new business is key, and we can certainly help with that. The second type of business I would say that would really want to leverage SJC marketing is maybe a more tenured business that has reached a certain plateau. You're still accomplishing sales, but maybe you're not hitting the sales goals that you have set on a year-by-year basis. So you're looking to kind of push past that plateau. We would certainly be able to help by, again, assessing what the marketing strategy looks like, what kind of outlets you're using currently to reach your market, but then really how do we tell your story best, and how do we reach that particular market in the best way possible. The third might be a company that they're not a brand new company. Maybe they've been around for 5 to 10 years, but they've never really had kind of a direction as far as their marketing strategy is concerned. They've tried, different things. They may not be hitting a plateau. They may still be growing, but they want some counsel. They want some consultation just to make sure that as they continue to grow, they're on a path to success. And so we can come along that type of company and say, hey, yeah, you're working in different marketing outlets. You're leveraging, different methods to meet your clients where they are. Well, let's just do an assessment to see how that's working. Let's do an assessment to see what is the ROI currently on your strategy, and how can we capitalize on potentially building in a greater return on your investment with some more centered, some more focused marketing pieces. So that's what I would say, in my opinion, those three types of companies: your new business, your business that's plateaued, and your business that really doesn't have a targeted marketing strategy. Those would be three times where I would say, if that's you, if that's your business, certainly reach out to me, reach out to somebody else on the SJC marketing team, and we would certainly love to have a conversation with you to figure out how to get your business to that next level.